Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and once you've subscribed, also click the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to get a notification. So today, I just want to talk about university admissions, whilst you are waiting for your results, what can you do? And what can you also do whilst you are waiting for your SI scholarship results announcement? And I would also want to congratulate everyone of you who successfully managed to submit their SI scholarship on time. Now, what you need to do is to wait and until the university admission publishes the results. You just need to sit back, relax. I think you have already done the biggest part. Now, what you only need to do is to wait, stop worrying, but trust the process. So you need to trust the process. I see a lot of applicants have been asking a lot of questions like on university admissions. Some of the programs that I applied for are saying unqualified, and some are saying qualified for all the four programs. But you realize that when the results have been published, the status on the university admissions will change to admitted, deleted, ongoing, conditionally admitted, depending on the status. For me, I had late application on university admissions because I applied a day after the deadline, and I wasn't expecting that I was going to get admitted and worse to get the SI scholarship because I had applied late on the university admissions. But luckily, the university admissions had my first program of choice on late application. So I'm just going to share my screen straight away so that I can um, walk you through the SI scholarship in terms of the timelines. So here on the SI website, if you go to option 4, which is, I think this is where we are currently, after you've applied for your master's program on university admissions and after you have submitted your SI scholarship application. So, notification from university admissions. So, the results for admission will be published on the 27th of March. So today is 9, so it means in 2 weeks' time you will have your results, and you'll know if you have been admitted or not. But now, so a notification from university admissions on the day you will receive notification of selection of results from university admission. SI will also receive the admission results, including your personal information, directly from university admissions. So on the day, on the 27th of March, you will receive an email, the email that you used when you were applying for the on your university admissions, which will be letting you know that the results have been published, and instructing you to go back to the university admission website to see which program have you been admitted to. And SI at the same time will also receive a list of students who have been admitted. So SI will start finalizing, will start their evaluation process based on the notification of results that they would have received from the university admissions. You will be in the running for the SI scholarship for global professionals on condition that you have been admitted or conditionally admitted to an eligible master's program on the 27th of March. So I will talk about the notification of results. I will also share the the PDF that I received from SI, from university admission, I mean. So you'll be running for SI if you have been admitted or conditional admitted, and you have not made any changes to your original admission results, e.g., declining an admission offer. If you make any changes to your original admission results, your application will no longer be in the running for the SI scholarship. So once you receive your admission of results, it will give you an option to accept the offer or to decline the offer. So if you have been admitted to more than one more than one master's program, you need to accept the one that you applied for SI scholarship and decline everything so that you know that you are running for the SI scholarship. And you need to make sure that you don't decline the program that you selected for the SI scholarship. I am conditionally admitted. What now? If you have been conditionally admitted, you have received information from university admissions regarding what you need to do to finalize your admission. So if you have been conditionally admitted, university admissions will send you also any email or information on the next steps. I was only listed as reserved or placed on the waiting list. Those who are not admitted to an eligible master's program by this date or are only listed as reserve, you are placed on the waiting list, will not be considered for the SI scholarship. So if on the university admissions, your status is saying reserved, it means you won't be considered for the SI scholarship. This is pretty clear. There's no need for you to get confused. Please note, please check the instruction on how to reply to my admission offer on university admission. Contact university admissions directly if you have any questions. Then final evaluation and announcement of scholarship receptions. After admission results are announced by the university on the 27th of March, SI starts to make final evaluation of the application that are still eligible for the scholarship. SI receives a separate list of admitted students from the following institutions. So I'll stop sharing this page. Then I'll go uh, to to another page to show you what the notification selection of results will look like. Right. So this is the notification selection of results, and this is what exactly it looks like. So once you have on the 27th, you will receive an email, and once you have received an email, um, you will also receive another email from the university which you have been admitted to. For example, when the notification or a selection of results were published, I also received another confirmation email from Linnaeus University where I had been admitted for a master's program in media, democracy, and human rights. So this is what exactly the notification of results will look like on the university admission page, which you can also download um, on the platform. Here it will have your application number. Then it will also have your personal code. I've deleted my application number and my personal number. Then my name, which is Nyasha Mkambiko. Then my address. Then it will also have this section. This is your admission notification with the selection results for autumn semester 2024. Understanding your results. I know this can be a bit challenging to understand. What does this exactly mean? Because I know from other jurisdiction, you can receive an offer letter instead of this notification of selection of results. But the offer letter for the University of Admission in this context is the, or I wanted to say, the offer letter in this context is the notification of selection of results. So you need to understand the following. Admitted, you have been offered a place in the course program. So if you are admitted, it means you have been offered a place. Then reserve means you have been placed on a waiting list for the course program. So if you are on reserve list, that's when I said you are out in terms of running for the SI scholarship. But on university admissions, it means maybe your university received quite a number of applications, and they had to select a few and put the other one on the waiting list. So as a lot of people will be receiving their notification of results, some are going to decline. And once someone is declined, that's when you also receive a place if you are placed on a reserve. Then deleted means you haven't been offered a place in the course program. The following are the most common reasons for deleted. You were admitted to a program that you ranked higher, and those with a lower ranking have been deleted to you. Can only be admitted to one master's program, or you did not fulfill the entry requirements for the course program. Then let's go to the other section. Would you like to appeal a decision regarding your eligibility? So this is the second part after you have received your notification of results. It's either you have been unqualified for all the programs. This will be the next step. If you feel the selection process was not fair in terms of your application, and if you feel you were qualified for the master's program, the second stage will be to appeal. But what you also need to know that you are already out in terms of running for the SI scholarship, but you can still appeal if you are looking forward to be paying for your own school fees. So you may appeal a decision that you haven't met or been exempted from the entry requirements for a specific course or a program. You may not appeal that you were not offered a place. Then there's the time frame for the appeal, must be in a writing and must reach university admission in Sweden not later than 3 weeks. So 3 weeks after the publication of notification of results, you need to have submitted your appeal. How to submit an appeal? There are two ways you can submit your appeal: online using appeals guide in writing using the postal address, the postal services, of which I feel the best way to do your appeal will be online. Because if you are going to use a postal service, I feel like this will take some time for you to print all the documents and also using DHL. And this will is going will also cost you some money as compared to applying online. I feel applying online will be cost effective. Then appeals guide, there's all the information in terms of how you can appeal, your written appeal, etc. So this will be the other section with your results after selection. So as you can see here, admitted, this is the master's program that I'm currently studying, which is Media, Democracy and Human Rights. And I was admitted according um, to, 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 to how I applied on the university admission. So, and the second program was a similar program because this is exactly the program that I wanted to do. But the second program was a virtual program, and it was deleted. Then the third program, it's still saying evaluation in progress. But once the results has been admitted, it has been published, and it's still saying evaluation in progress. You need to know that you are out in terms of running for the SI scholarship. Then the fourth program is saying not processed, right? So you will receive different statuses in terms of your admission, depending on different scenarios and different situation. For me, I applied a bit late, so that's why I didn't receive all the results in time. As you can see, um, my status on university admissions all along has been saying late application, late application. So most of the other university were still evaluating the submissions, and the other one was not processed by the time when the results uh, were published. But of course, I do not need to worry as long I have been admitted to my first program of choice. So what you also need to do is um, after you've received this, you must uh, pay the tuition fees to your university. They will contact you with a specific on how you can make payment. You have already been accepted to the maximum number of credits. I don't think this is necessary uh, because you have to wait for the SI scholarship. And after the SI is published the results, that's when and you have not been offered the scholarship, that's when you may need to consider paying for tuition fees. So this is what I just wanted to share with everyone. So what you are currently seeing on the university admissions, you don't need to worry about if your status is saying qualified or if your status is saying unqualified. You will notice that the statuses will continuously change as the time progresses, and also as the result as the notification of selection results uh, comes to an end. So what you are currently seeing now, you don't need to worry about it. You just need to sit back, relax, um, until the results are published on the 27th of March. So the results will continue to change as the evaluation process from the university admissions take place. So what I encourage you to do for now is just to watch the space. Stop thinking on what is going to happen, but you just need to be grateful for submitting all the application process for SI in time. I think you need to be grateful for that, because already what you have done is the one of the most uh, greatest effort that you have put into the application. So you need to trust the process and wait until the results have been published. So once the results has been published, this is what you are going to see: admitted or conditional admitted. If you received admitted and conditional admitted, then you are in the running for SI scholarship. If you are on reserve list, you are out of the SI scholarship. It's saying unqualified, then you are out. If it's saying deleted, you are out. So this is what I just wanted to share with you. I hope this has been helpful to everyone who is waiting for their results admission, and also to everyone who is also uh, who successfully submitted their application. And once the university admission have published the results, the final part for SI will be the final evaluation of scholarship based on the results that they would receive, they would have received from the university admissions. So just sit back and relax and wait, and trust the process. So this is what I wanted to share with you for today. If you have any questions, um, please leave the questions in the comment section. I'll be able to respond to the questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click the notification button so that every time I upload new content, you will get a notification. Thank you, everyone, and I wish you all the best as you wait for your results admission, which will be in 2 weeks' time. Bye bye.